Welcome to today's daily English conversation. Our topic is At the Restaurant. In this conversation, you'll listen to Eve and Jack as they go out for lunch together. You'll learn useful phrases and everyday expressions for ordering food, talking to waiters, and chatting while eating. So, let's get started. Hey, Jack, are you hungry?
I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything since breakfast.
Wow, that's a long time. It's already 1 o'clock. Let's find a place to eat.
Sure. Do you have any place in mind?
How about that new Italian restaurant around the corner?
Oh, you mean La Bella Vita. I've heard it's really good. Let's check it out.
Looks cozy, doesn't it?
Yeah, and it smells amazing. I can smell garlic and fresh bread already.
That's always a good sign.
Good afternoon. Welcome to La Bella Vita. How many people? 2, please. Would you like to sit inside or outside?
Inside, please. It's a bit hot outside today.
Sure, right this way.
Thank you. Here are your menus. Your server will be with you shortly. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks.
Wow, there are so many options. I can't decide what to order.
Yeah, me too. Everything looks delicious.
They have pasta, pizza, and some seafood dishes.
What are you thinking again?
Maybe pasta. I love spaghetti. Ooh, look, spaghetti carbonara. That's one of my favorites.
Nice. I'm thinking of trying the margarita pizza. It's simple but classic.
Yeah, sometimes simple is the best.
What do you want to drink?
Maybe lemonade. It's refreshing.
Good idea. I'll get an iced tea.
Hi. Good afternoon. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. I'll have the spaghetti carbonara, please.
Sure. Would you like any extra cheese on top?
Yes, please. I love cheese.
No problem. And for you, sir?
I'll have the margarita pizza, please.
Would you like any toppings with that?
Maybe add some mushrooms, please.
Of course. Anything to drink?
1 lemonade for me.
And an iced tea for me, please.
Got it. I'll be right back with your drinks.
Thank you.
So, Eve, how's your day been so far?
Pretty good. Just busy with work. I had a couple of meetings this morning.
Yeah, same here. It's been a long week already.
Tell me about it. I'm just glad we decided to take a break and eat out today.
Me too. Sometimes it's nice to relax and not think about work.
Exactly. By the way, I like the music here. It's really calming.
Yeah, it makes the whole atmosphere feel relaxed. And the smell of food makes me even hungrier.
Patience, Jack. The food will be here soon.
Here you go. 1 lemonade and 1 iced tea. Your food will be out in a few minutes.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
This lemonade is perfect. Not too sweet, not too sour.
My iced tea is good too. It's nice and cold.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Here we are. Spaghetti carbonara for you and margarita pizza with mushrooms for you. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, that looks amazing. Thank you.
Thanks. It looks delicious.
This smells incredible.
Yeah, mine too. Look at all that cheese. I can't wait to dig in.
Go ahead. Let's taste it.
Wow. This pizza is perfect. The crust is crispy and the cheese is so fresh.
Nice. My spaghetti is creamy and rich. I love the sauce. It's just right.
Do you want to try a slice of my pizza?
Sure. And you can try some of my pasta.
Oh, that's delicious. I should have ordered this too.
See? You can always come back next time.
So, Eve, do you cook at home often?
Sometimes. When I have time, I like to cook pasta or curry. How about you?
Not really. I'm not much of a cook. I usually just order takeout.
That's convenient, but expensive.
True. I keep telling myself I should learn how to cook.
It's fun once you get into it, and it's healthier too.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe you can teach me someday.
Sure, but you'll have to do the dishes.
Deal. By the way, do you like spicy food?
Not too spicy. A little kick is fine, but I can't handle too much heat.
Same here. I like a bit of spice, but not the kind that burns your mouth.
How's everything so far?
Everything's perfect, thank you.
Yeah, it's really delicious.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
What do you think, Jack? Dessert?
Why not? I still have room for something sweet.
Okay, sure. Let's see what they have.
Ooh, tiramisu. I love tiramisu.
Same. That's my favorite Italian dessert.
Should we share one?
Yeah, good idea. One tiramisu, please.
Great choice. I'll bring it right out.
Here you go. 1 tiramisu. Enjoy. Wow, that looks beautiful.
Yeah, and it smells amazing. Let's dig in.
This is heavenly.
It's so creamy and soft. I love it.
I could eat this every day.
Same here, but my diet would hate me.
Yeah, but a little treat now and then is fine.
Exactly. Life's too short to skip dessert.
That was perfect. I'm so full now.
Me too. Totally worth it. Should we ask for the bill?
Yeah, let's do that. Excuse me, can we get the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right over.
Here it is. Not bad at all.
Yeah, it's quite reasonable for such good food.
Do you want to split it?
Sure, half and half is fine.
All right, let's see. That's $15 each.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
That was a great meal. I'm so glad we came here.
Me too. We should definitely come back sometime.
Next time, maybe we can try their seafood pasta or lasagna.
Sounds perfect. I'm already looking forward to it.
All right. Should we grab some coffee later?
Why not? Let's go for a walk first and then find a cafe.
Great idea.
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily English conversations. See you next time.
And enjoy your next meal out.